Good afternoon. This is Eric Windheim, Building Biologist and Electromagnetic Radiation Specialist. We're at an EMF sensitive person's home in Carmichael, California, and they have their variable speed pool pump running right now. This is the fingerprint of a variable speed pool pump. The blue is the 60 cycle sine wave, and if you look carefully you can even see it's chopped up and fuzzy. The red is the unintended consequence of a variable speed pool pump, which is required by California law. Up here is the spectrum analyzer, and most of the frequencies from the pool pump start at 30 and go up to 40. So we're going to put in some filters. We actually have some filters to install right at the main panel. So Jason, please put in one filter per phase right now. Notice that we're at 1900 on the Stetzer meter. Okay, so that drops it down significantly to from 1900 to 500. Okay, so put in the second one, please. 2 filters per phase. You got 2 of them in per phase?
Correct.
Okay, so that's as much as we can get. But I just want to point out the amplitude drop on the frequency here. We're still between 30 and 39, actually between 36 and 29 kilohertz, this range here. So let's find out what the amplitude dropped down. We did have, 4.7 volts on the line radiating off at that frequency. And now we have about 500 millivolts. 500 on the Stetzer meter. Pull the filters out, please.
I'm just going to turn them on.
Okay, so that's the unadulterated dirty electricity that you get from a variable speed pool pump. Now, please turn the circuit breaker for the pool pump off. So you see, when there's no pool pump at all, and not even any filters, we're at 75. Now, please put the filters, the filters are in? Okay, take the filters out.
No, the breaker's on. I'm going to turn it on.
Okay. Okay, filters on, we drop down to 21. So with no variable speed pool pump and filters, we're at 20. Turn filters off. Okay, with no variable speed pool pump and no filters, we're at 87. Turn filters back on. So filters generally can always help. And then I'll go ahead and turn the pool pump circuit back on. Okay, the pool pump is not going to restart because we had it needs to be reset. It's on a timer. So variable speed pool pumps create a lot of dirty electricity, and they need to be filtered unless you want to unfortunately receive that impact in your own body, because dirty electricity radiates off of every single wire in your entire house. Thank you for watching.